Okay, today we're going to make a very simple lasagna. Very simple.
Here is mix.
This is it.
Yep.
And then we have the noodles. Simple.
Yep.
You want any spices?
No, I don't want.
Put some of this in here. Diced up. Mozzarella.
This is how to make a lasagna, guys. And there is lasagna.
The sauce is boiling. Okay, today we're going to make a very simple lasagna. Very simple. Here's the noodle, jar sauce, marinara, some beef, mozzarella cheese, and ricotta. That's it. Very simple.
Okay.
Gonna turn this on.
Turn on.
We're going to cook up the meat. There it is. Just cut it up a little bit. I'm not even going to put any spices in or nothing. It's very simple.
Yep. Daddy is the cook.
Let it cook.
Chip cook.
Okay, now
And here is
we've got
the
a pot
boil
of water
now.
boiling. And we're going to put these in there.
Oh my goodness. Wow, so long.
Hopefully the boil will go down. We need a bigger pot. We don't have a bigger pot. This is the tray that we're going to use, this glass tray.
Yep.
This has got the instructions on it for a basic lasagna.
Yep.
Bring 4 to 6 quarts of water to boil and salt to taste. Add pasta to boiling water. Boil uncovered for 8 minutes, stirring occasionally. Drain it. And that'll be ready. Follow directions, desired lasagna recipe, and bake. Prepare lasagna.
And there
We
is
bake for 375 degrees. Since lasagna will be cold, no. So no. If we do it right away, I think it's like 375 for 30 minutes. That's frozen. That's cold. So I'll have to look.
And
Okay?
there is the finished product. Look at that.
I'm gonna cut this cheese up right here.
Here is it's cooking.
Cut with scissors.
So tight.
We washed our hands clean before.
Yep.
It's always
Don't
important.
worry, it's clean.
Wash your hands.
Yeah.
There it is.
There is.
Wash my hands again.
Well, mix this.
So we get this mozzarella. And we get this ricotta. Let's open this. So you mix it
There
in
is
meat.
open.
Spoon this in.
Wow, what's that? It's so look like a
Ricotta, it'll melt. It's cold now. We're not going to use all this.
melting. And here is boiling.
Okay, I'll put it in the bowl. So this. Used about half of this. Okay, then we're going to cut this into slices of mozzarella. That's ricotta, mozzarella. You taste it. Yep, it's good.
It's yummy. Yummy, yummy. Here we mix the noodles.
Good. Let's see what we got here. Do we have a jar we can drain the oil into?
Yep.
Let me get it.
Here is mix.
Is this it?
Okay.
Okay, so it says to the mozzarella, 1 cup of mozzarella diced. So I'm just going to chop this up so it's smaller pieces. Things we could use, like a cutting board, you know, instead of this dish. But we're amateurs. Making a simple lasagna.
It's not professional.
Yep.
But I just want to share you guys how to cook lasagna.
A basic lasagna.
Yeah.
I mean, some people make homemade sauce and everything. We just use jar sauce.
Yeah.
Private selection with olive oil and garlic marinara. Traditional tomato sauce.
Yep. Okay, we get this the oil, Hannah.
Now we're gonna get
Okay.
some oil. Go ahead, get some. Oh, okay, get rid of this. I'll do it. You hold the camera.
And there is. We get the oil.
This is the way I do it.
Okay. Okay, it's enough.
Good.
Done.
Back on the stove, a little bit more cooking. And stirring.
And stir.
Olive oil in here.
Okay, olive oil.
So we got some light tasting olive oil. 4 tablespoons of olive oil.
Okay. And here is boiling, not yet cooked.
We're going to preheat the oven 375.
Okay.
Here's the beef. It's done. Turn the flame off. I'm going to put it in this bowl so we have it ready. Okay, that's done. Got
Yes.
that? Let's see what we got here now.
Yeah. There's
Yeah.
the old, not
Got
yet
tomato
old.
sauce,
The ingredients.
we got ricotta, mozzarella, and some hamburger beef.
Yep.
And then we have the noodles. Simple.
Yep.
You want any spices?
No, I don't want spicy.
Family doesn't like spices. You can add spices later.
Yep.
Oregano or whatever. Okay, is this pretty hot? Is
Yeah.
it done?
I not know. Taste on it. Oh, so long. Look like it's enough here, honey. You can laying down here.
This is a sample piece. Going back in. I can feel it. It's not ready.
It's hard.
Not hard, but
Yeah,
you
try.
taste it. There's a little more cooking.
Ah, it's hard.
We're going to start making lasagna. We're going to put sauce on the bottom. And then we're going to do 5 of these across here. And then we're going to start putting some ricotta, some beef, and some mozzarella. Spread it out and then make another layer.
Yeah.
And we'll do 3 layers maybe. 3 of, we might not have to use all that, but 5 across. And then repeat 3 times.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, guys, and
We're almost ready. The noodles
Almost
are
ready.
Still boiling.
yep.
We got all this stuff prepared. We got sauce,
Here's the ingredients.
beef, ricotta, and mozzarella. And we got a little bit of Parmesan cheese. This is left over. This is for the
Spray.
spray for the tray.
Yeah.
And then we got this, the noodles.
We got that.
We're gonna put it in there. Then we're gonna
Strainer.
lay them out on there, temporary.
lying down there.
What do we do? Do we shake this?
Yep. Shake first.
Doesn't say.
No, I see that before.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Spray.
That's it.
There.
I'll dump this in here.
Oops. Or no. Okay, dump. Super hot. Be careful.
I'm gonna try to be gentle because these things rip.
Yeah. Oops.
Okay. Let it cool down.
Yeah. There it is.
Okay.
Okay, here we go.
Okay, here's the noodles.
We start now.
We started laying it out on here. Let's see what we got. We got a ripped one.
Okay. Charon, Charon, here. There you go.
First thing we do is put a layer of sauce.
And there it is.
Okay, now we lay this across.
Like that.
I'm gonna take only the good ones, the ripped ones. That's 2. Ripped ones, we have plenty extra, so 3.
Yeah.
Looks like we're only gonna go 4 across.
There it is.
Okay, now we do some beef,
Here's the beef.
some ricotta. Let's see what they say here. Top with sausage or beef, ricotta, Parmesan cheese. Repeat 2 more layers. On the top layer, pour the remaining sauce.
Put more sauce so that it's thicker.
Okay. Get the corners so they don't burn as much.
What?
Look at the corners there.
Oh. Okay, there you go. The beef. Just spread around.
Yep. Clean hands. Make sure you got clean hands. Okay.
Okay.
Some of this. Okay. We'll put some of this in here. Diced up. Mozzarella. What else? You got all those 3?
Yeah, that's
Some of this Parmesan.
Parmesan.
Okay, and then we repeat 2 more times. Another layer.
Other layer.
One. So yeah, just enough. to
Oh,
cover it.
no more louder.
More pieces. Okay.
Yes.
Some Parmesan cheese on top.
Sprinkle. Wow, a lot.
And
Or
then pour the
leftover.
remaining sauce on it. Okay. Put some aluminum foil on it next.
Yeah.
Preheat oven.
Preheat.
375.
Preheat. 375.
375.
Okay. Start. There you go.
Says 30 minute, 375. Okay.
Yeah.
Gotta get the aluminum foil now.
And there he is. This is how to make a lasagna, guys.
Make lasagna in Philippines.
No. I not know what is lasagna before. And there is the cover so that it not burn.
Ready?
Okay.
Open her up.
Oh, not yet.
Oh, it's
Honey,
not ready
preheat. Okay, we Wait for a few minutes.
Oven is
Right.
preheated to 375.
Yeah, it's ready.
We gotta cook it for 30 minutes.
Yep, there is. So heavy, huh?
Yep,
Have
it's
a
heavy.
lot of lasagna. And
Oven
there.
safe glass.
Yeah.
There we go.
We wait for
Till 10 after 8.
how
Okay?
many minutes, honey?
10 after 8, 30 minutes.
30 minutes, okay.
10 after 8, we
Okay,
look at it.
let's see that later. What's look like? Okay, let's check if already cooked.
Okay, it's been almost an hour now. Looks like it was more than 30 minutes. But we think it's ready now. Oh, there we go. I hear it boiling. Hear
Yep.
it? It's boiling. That's what we
Turn
want.
off now. Turn off. Let's see what's look like. Woo! Look at that.
The sauce is boiling.
Wow, looks yummy. Wow, a lot of lasagna. And there is lasagna.
The sauce is boiling.
Look at that.
Okay, ready? Let it cool down for a few minutes.
Yeah,
Then we'll,
there is cooked now. So here is the finished product, guys. And that's how to make lasagna.
a simple lasagna.
Yep.
Very simple. A lot of lasagnas they put sausage and onion. We like that, but we just didn't put that in.
Yep.
That's it. Do you want to see us slice it?
Okay. Let's slice. What's look like there inside, Danny?
I'll go right down the middle.
Yep. There you go.
There's a lot of cheese.
Yep, I like that of cheese. Look at that. Ta-da! Wow!
You want that one?
Have a lot of cheese. There you go.
Okay.
There it is. Lasagna. It's ready to eat. Let's eat, guys. We hungry now. It's late.
Yep.
It's almost 9 o'clock. There you go. Ta-da!
With the layers in there.
Look at that.
Very cheesy.
Yeah.
This was part of yours. You want that?
No, yours.
Take it. Okay.
Yep. There it is.
Ta-da.
Ta-da!
Okay.
Okay, that's it, guys.
Should I
If
taste
you
it first?
enjoy it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Hold on. Let me taste it.
What's look like?
Delicious.
Wow, that's
Yep.
good.
Delicious.
Okay.
Not bad for the amateurs.
Yeah.
That's what lasagna look like, doesn't it?
Yep.
Cheese and sauce and pasta.
Yep, there it is.
Okay.
The finished product. And that's it, guys. And if you enjoy it, don't forget to hit that red button. Thank you for watching and see you next video. Bye-bye.